We're out here in Florida for one reason and one reason only, baby, and that's to cover the 2.4 Hours of LeMullets. But before we start anything, this hat just ain't gonna cut it. Let's go. Full bald eagle trim, ready to cover the race. You may be wondering, what the heck is the 2.4 Hours of LeMullets? The man himself is gonna give you the 30-second breakdown of what you can expect today.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're here at the Freedom Factory for the annual 2.4 Hours of LeMullets presented by Black Rifle Coffee. We got about 20 Crown Vics behind us. That's a monster truck you just heard fire up. And these things are all equipped with nitrous, Nitto tires, and some bad-to-the-bone drivers. The race for glory and 2 C3 Corvettes. What could go wrong?
Do the jump.
Let's go.
There, but he's
he's still rolling.
Josh Hall can't get going.
What's your strategy going into the race tonight?
Strategy tonight, I'm going to go first. I'm going to qualify and go first. So I'm going to do my best just to keep this car in one piece. The bus stop style or the kidney bean style adds a lot of fun. It's really fun to watch, but it's tough on these cars. You turn left, you turn right, it gets a lot of traffic in there. So I'm going to try to keep the car together in one piece and then let my partner, Zach, bring home that W.
Here comes our monster truck. Jumps like the Dukes of Hazzard, you gotta have Roscoe come out.
I want to say that we're good because we're good, but I really think we get lucky more than
strategically lucky.
Yeah,
for sure. I'm gonna do the second split. I got this thing where if someone bumps me, I see red, and I might have to take you out to get to the front. So that's the strategy.
I'm more laid back.
So you're going first?
Going first.
All right.
We're gonna win this thing for sure.
Guys, what's going to put you to the front of the pack?
I don't know.
Saving the car. We're going to work on saving the car.
Not driving it like I stole it, that's for sure.
Shannon Campbell's kid, we can't guarantee that.
Right now, the 88 car has jumped up to 5th place. Everyone together.
You saw the 618 there. That's Ty McFarland. Now, Ty Braun and his teammate Zach McFarland, they actually won the race 1 year ago, the 2022.
All right, plot twist. They reversed or inverted qualifying. Guys, did you already know about this?
I mean, statistically, he usually does it, but there have been a few times where he's got us and he didn't do it. So
it's more times than not it gets inverted. So qualifying is really just to figure out how to drive the car.
There we go. I heard it first. These guys are playing the game smart. We do have C and red over here at the end of the day, but no matter what, they're playing smart, and our money's on them to win.
Here we go. Let's go 2.4 Hours of LeMullets racing, boys and girls.
Let's go. We're 3 wide.
43 car White Rooster Boys lost a lot of ground on that first lap. He's falling all the way back. You can see right there. And this is so much better because up to this year, if you had a flat tire or you had a damage with your car, you had to go outside the backstretch of the race car. So I think this is a great change that during the Van 3.
He's back in the hunt for the front. Our first car we got wrecked out coming into the kidney bean. Just had some overheating issues, and it was a yard sale. So got in the backup car. This car's not quite to our other car, and it is what it is. We're still in the race.
We were doing all right. I got pushed to the back. I was working my way back up. I think we were in like 11th again or 9th or something like that. And Cleet spun me out. I got stuck in the grass, and when I came out, I had no power steering. So I did the last 20 minutes with no power steering, and I just could not keep pace with the pack.
One of our own Nitto drivers, I guess Team Nitto, Team McFarland, took you out. What happened?
Jason, first go around, he got into a pile up and killed a radiator. So we got a new hoopty, and turns out it was better. I liked it way better than the other one. I was having fun out there, and a car had spun out, and he pulled out in front of me and clipped my front tire and killed the tie rod.
That's it for the night. I mean, did you still have fun though?
Oh yeah, it's a blast. I'll definitely be back next year if they let me.
Talked about it, Joseph Hunter.
Wow, he is banging on it.
All he's got to do is just bring it to the house. Joseph Hunt the front wins the 2023 2.4 hours.
All right, the day is done. This was one of the wildest experiences I've ever seen in my life. I hope you guys had a good time. All the Nitto drivers that we interviewed didn't win. However, that doesn't mean this wasn't an amazing race to watch. There was ups, there was downs, there was spin-outs, there was T-bones, there was tire changes, there were car changes. I'm out of breath. I'm covered in smoke. This was amazing. Are we going to come back here and do it again? Yes. Are we going to have the drivers challenge each other to another driver battles? Yes. It's only going to get better, and we can't wait to bring it to you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.
Thanks for watching Driving Line. If you guys like this video, consider subscribing to our channel so you'll never miss any of the content we create here. Whether you're into trucks, Jeeps, imports, domestic vehicles, or anything in between, we are here to fuel your passion. So hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time.